Welcome. In this lesson, we will learn about initialize statement. Initialize statement is a very powerful statement for setting the initial values for your variables or data items. It can be a very fast and easy way to set a value for a data item or a series of data items. Consider we have coded working storage variables as shown on the screen. This is a group data item with working hyphen variables is at the top of the hierarchy with 01 level number. Under it, we have numeric variables and alphanumeric variables data item. Both are group items and they are at level 3. Under numeric variables, we have elementary data items, first numeric variable and second numeric variable. And these elementary data items are defined with pick of 9 of 5. Likewise, in alphanumeric variables, we have two elementary data items, first alphanumeric variable and second alphanumeric variable. Both these variables are defined with pics x of 20 and first alphanumeric variable is initialized with value of all stars. When you have such group items which consist of both alphanumeric and numeric elementary data items, then a simple statement of moving spaces to the group item may work, but it will result into invalid data in numeric elementary data items. With initialize statement, we can achieve this quite easily. Initialize statement is coded with Cobol reserved word initialize followed by the variable name. Now let's understand initialize statement with the help of some examples. In first example, we are initializing a variable named as working hyphen variables. When the initialize statement is performed, all the elementary data items of the working variables group data item will be initialized with the type of field they are. So numeric elementary data item will be initialized with 0 and alphanumeric data items will be initialized with spaces. In second example, we are targeting specific field in the group. We are initializing all the numeric fields of the group variable, that is working variables, by zeros. When this initialize statement is performed, all the numeric fields will be initialized with zeros. In third example, we are initializing a particular variable with a value other than spaces. Here we are trying to replace the value of a first alphanumeric variable with asterisk sign. We have coded initialize, which is a reserved Cobol keyword followed by the variable name, that is first alphanumeric variable. After that, we have coded replacing alphanumeric data by all, and then we have give the symbol of asterisk sign under the double inverted commas. As we want all the character of first alphanumeric variable to have asterisk symbol, we have used the all keyword. If we are not using all keyword, then the initialize statement will fill first alphanumeric first character with asterisk sign and rest of the character with spaces. We are not restricted to literals in the initialize statement. We can also initialize one variable with the content of the other variable. In our fourth example, we are initializing numeric data of working variables by the value of the field 1 variable. So every numeric data item under the working variables will be replaced by the current value of the field 1 variable. I hope this lesson gives you a fair idea about initialize statement. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.